Have you heard the name Isabel Morgan? No? How about the name Jonas Salk? You know, the man who created the polio vaccine? Well, Dr. Isabel Morgan performed a significant amount of research around polio and was actually about 2 years ahead of Salk's research. Together with her team at Johns Hopkins, she created the first successful killed virus vaccine. They tested it on monkeys, and it worked. Today, there are 5 types of vaccinations: live vaccines, inactivated vaccines, toxoid vaccines, subunit vaccines, and conjugate vaccines. Today, we will be exploring how inactivated vaccines work, and specifically the polio vaccine. Inactivated vaccines are made through a process of killing a germ before putting it into the body. The vaccine will produce immune responses, but usually multiple doses are necessary to build immunity because the germ has been inactivated. Vaccines are designed in a way that tricks the body into thinking that they are a certain infection. This, in turn, will help the body to build up its immunity to a specific infection. The immune system will produce antibodies that will be better equipped to fight the real infection. The soldiers that the body is armed with after the vaccination infection is gone come in 2 forms: B cells and T cells. These are also sometimes called lymphocytes. Both T and B cells are white blood cells that search the body for cellular abnormalities and infections. They remember how to defend and protect the immune system after the body gets an infection or is vaccinated, and they can more easily defend the body the next time. Sometimes vaccinations can produce minor symptoms of the infection, and this is one reason that the development of inactivated vaccinations was so beneficial, because the germ had already been killed. This is the case with the polio vaccination, as it carries no risk of vaccine-associated paralytic polio because it is not a live vaccine. Dr. Morgan left her research behind. She is reported to have told friends that she was afraid of the next step of research, testing the vaccine on children. Inactivated polio vaccine used on humans was developed by Jonas Salk in 1955. While Jonas Salk eventually created the human vaccine to fight polio, his work relied heavily on the research done by Dr. Morgan and her team. It is a shame that she often receives little credit and recognition for this accomplishment.